Greenlight Investing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Greenlight and related products are in the description. Let's get straight into the review. Greenlight is a financial app designed for families to teach kids about money management, while also providing parents with the tools to oversee and guide their financial education. It's a hybrid platform that combines banking, savings, and investment management for children, all while allowing parents to keep a close eye on their kids' spending and saving habits. This makes it a great option for parents who want to teach their children about financial responsibility, particularly with the rising importance of digital finance. One of the key features of Greenlight is its teen investment accounts. Through this feature, parents can set up custodial investment accounts for their kids, allowing them to invest in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Greenlight allows parents to set rules for spending and investing, and they have the ability to approve or deny transactions. This gives parents the flexibility to encourage responsible investing without giving total control to their children at a young age. Another major strength of Greenlight is the financial education it provides. Through its app, children can learn about saving, investing, and budgeting via interactive tools and educational content. The app also offers goal-setting features where kids can set specific savings or investment goals, allowing them to work towards something tangible. However, there are some limitations. While Greenlight offers custodial accounts for investing, it is not a full-service investment platform. The investment options are relatively limited, and it lacks the flexibility of a traditional brokerage for more advanced investing. Additionally, the monthly fee for Greenlight's premium services can add up, ranging from $4.99 to $9.98 per month, which may not be cost-effective for families with just one child. Overall, Greenlight is an excellent tool for parents who want to educate their kids about money, saving, and investing in a safe, structured way. If you're looking for a full-fledged investment platform or more complex financial management tools, Greenlight might not meet all your needs. Check out the links in the description to explore Greenlight and other alternatives.